Welcome to this quick start your smart learning series of videos on space exploration. Astronomers and astronauts have learned lots of amazing things about the universe, but there are still so many things to learn and discover. These are radio telescopes that collect the rays from the space. Telescopes inside this dome is large. It has a mirror that collects the light from the space. Telescopes make planets and stars look much bigger, helping us to see the distant objects more clearly. We are able to learn about their surfaces. This is an observatory inside which this telescope will be there. Observatory is a place from where you observe the space. Radio telescope. Some objects in space, such as a black hole, cannot be seen with ordinary telescope. So we use radio telescope to detect the invisible rays that they give out. Radio telescope detects the radio waves. Telescope on Earth often get blurred view of the space because of the atmosphere gets in the way. Atmosphere has dust. And the Hubble Space Telescope gives a much clearer view. This is floating in space. The Hubble Space Telescope floats in space. Space probe. Probe spacecraft are called space probe. They take photograph and use instruments to find out about the planets. They may or may not come back to Earth, but they send the pictures back to Earth through satellite. Luna 3 took the first photograph of the far side of the moon in 1959. Pioneer 10 was the first spacecraft to probe and fly close to a planet called Jupiter. Venera 9 landed on the surface of the Venus in 1975. Viking 1 and 2 landed on Mars and searched for signs of life. Voyager 1 flew past the Saturn, taking photograph of its rings and moons. Pathfinder landed on the Mars with a robo-vehicle that explored the surface of the Mars. Mission to Mars. One day astronauts might visit Mars. It will take 6 months to get there and 6 months to get back. Unmanned space probe have already been to Mars. Recently, India had sent a Mangalyaan to Mars. Man on the Moon. When astronauts visited the moon, they did experiments and collected rocks. Their footprint left in the dusty surface will last for millions of years. Why? Because there is no atmosphere or air on the surface of the moon to move away or change the footprint. These are the robo-vehicles that has been sent to the surface of the moon. Thanks for watching this series of videos. Hope to come back again and hope to see you soon.